Hi everyone, we are here in the big lake, but it looks like it's a beach because look at it. See. It's a big clouds. It's get rain. It's about to rain. Coming. Oh, nice. Don't touch it. See. Before in summer you can step on here because it's filled with water, but right now that it's autumn, the water is low tide today actually. So yeah, really nice view to take a walk even though it's cold, but Isabella love it. Yeah. Let's go, babe. So much birds be the water. You can just step there, babe.
Can I tap here?
Can you hold mommy? Go.
Oh, I found that.
My God, that's nice. Here, Bessa. Yes, of course.
Who's that?
Shell.
Yes, it's shell.
How many shells do you have? Can you count? Can you count?
Daddy, I want to.
Not a bit, but a big lake. Amazing. Kiss.
Please no read, Anika.
Yeah, there is something inside.
It's baby cell more.
Yeah.
Baby cells. Daddy, found the baby cells. I found baby cells.
What did you find? Can you show to mommy? Wow. You showing it to daddy? Careful. Du tappat den?
Jag får.
Ska vi ta med?
Jag vill ta med.
Ska vi se. Det finns med. Här, den här. Så, varsågod. Så, let's go to daddy. Oh, it's the birds or maybe their dog. It's okay. Daddy just want to walk there. She said she have baby shells. The beauty of the nature is still amazing, even though it is almost winter. It looks like we are in the sea, but we are in a big lake here in Sweden, in Skåne, in Hörby, in Ludwigsborg actually. So awesome. Look like a big sea, but it's just a big lake. Ayan sila. Wow! So there's a lake with a lot of birds in there lang. So this is it, Isabel. Look like it's gonna rain soon because you can see the clouds. It's already
It is raining.
Gastrok.
Come here, Mommy.
Yay!
I found down.
Wanna go up there lang?
This outside.
Should I help you? Give it to Mama. Scale pa day. Anda sila. Jack.